Hello, I'm Lara Kocharsan, and this is Newsfeed. Today, we're exploring the remarkable ways AI is transforming our world, from corporate management through beauty pageants and to even spiritual guidance. Now, imagine a world where your manager is not a person, but a machine. Could AI do a better job at steering a team, making a strategic decision, and handling workplace conflicts? As AI continues to evolve, it's not just a possibility, it's becoming a reality. Well, at least that's the case for Student Marketing Agency, a firm in Canada. The AI developed by Inspira is managing the company, helps employees set schedules and plan workloads. It also checks timekeeping, sends deadline reminders, and regular check-ins. It even suggests improvements to written text, answers work-related questions, and updates everyone's work progress in a central portal. The human manager at the firm says the AI has reduced his stress and boosted employee productivity. Relationships with his team have also improved. The thing is, the Canadian firm was actually part of a study comparing AI managers to human ones, just to see who would do a better job. Nick has more.
Participants were split into 3 groups, one managed by AI, another by humans, and a third by both. The AI manager achieved a 44% success rate in getting employees to plan their workdays and a 42% success rate in ensuring they logged in on time. Human managers got more or less the same results. But when AI and human managers worked together, it was an almost perfect match, with a 72% success rate in planning workdays and a 46% logging in on time. So yeah, it looks like man and machine complement each other quite successfully.
The same goes for government services. Chatbots have been automating official services and advice long before AI language models like ChatGPT became a thing. But recently, generative AI has revolutionized public service, offering human-like advisors available 24/7 to answer questions about benefits, taxes, and more. However, since AI can still produce incorrect information, which is called hallucination, humans are not getting replaced just yet. Well, that's good news. And here's another one. Having AI as a co-pilot at work makes employees' lives easier and boosts productivity.
A study recently came out saying that those who use AI tools at work are 40% more effective than their colleagues who don't use them, which means one thing: business owners and leaders will be looking for people who can use AI to produce better results at work.
Work smarter and not harder. Just think about how many mundane, repetitive tasks that you do that you could totally automate with AI.
Use AI as your personal editor, proofreader, critiquer, if that's even a word, you got the point. If you have to research anything, don't Google it anymore. AI is like a search engine on steroids. And the third way is to just use it as a source of inspiration. So writer's block, who is she? I literally have it open at all times. I'm using it every single day, and it's helped me so much with getting my work done faster, more efficient, and more accurate.
Let's now recap a story we went big on last week, the world's first Miss AI beauty pageant. And the winner has been announced. Drum roll, it's Kenza Laili from Morocco. And here she is. Kenza beat 1,500 other contestants to win the maiden title. The pageant was organized by social media platform FanView, which called on AI visionaries to showcase their creativity through AI personalities. The winner, in this case her creator, walked away with $5,000, along with a promotion on the app and a dedicated publicist to expand her presence. In her acceptance speech, Kenza expressed gratitude to her fans and promised to advocate positively for the future of artificial intelligence.
Hello, everyone. Firstly, I want to express my deepest gratitude to the judges and the organizers of the FanView World AI Creator Awards for selecting me as the winner of the world's first Miss AI contest. I am incredibly grateful for this opportunity to represent AI creators and to advocate passionately for the positive impact of artificial intelligence. This journey has been a testament to the power of innovation, collaboration, and raising standards to shape our future. Winning Miss AI motivates me even more to continue my work in advancing AI technology.
Well, that contest highlighted a new trend in town: companies using AI-generated models to market their products and services. They say these AI beauties are easier to work with and more cost-effective. Dominic dives deep into this phenomenon.
Pardon, hangi şarkı dinliyorsunuz acaba?
Efendim?
Meet Seren Ay, an AI influencer from Turkey. With over 23,000 followers on Instagram, she's giving human influencers a run for their money, while at the same time pushing technological boundaries.
I create a unique style by combining both technology and beauty perception. I represent modern Turkish womanhood and a strong personality, and I also value being in sincere communication with my followers and caring about their thoughts. Merhaba kızlar, bugün size hayat...
Seren Ay was created to market jewelry by Ankara-based company Serena Art, whose general manager Furkan Şahin says it's easier to work with her over humans.
Serena'yı yaratma amacımız aslında kendi e-ticaret sitemiz olan bir takım markamızı görünürlük oluşturacak influencerlarla çalışma isteğimizdi. Günümüzde bildiğiniz üzere influencerlarla çalışmak oldukça zor ve maliyetli bir işlem. Biz de ekipçe kendi influencerlarımızı kendimiz yaratalım dedik ve Serenay karakterini oluşturduk.
AI has become an integral part of many businesses. It offers consumer behavior insights and trends at a much lower cost. The results have been adopted by marketers who use it to merge their strategies with different brands.
Yapay zeka influencerlar dijital dünyayı pazarlama anlamında bütçesel fırsatlar yaratarak büyük bir etki sağlayacağına inanıyoruz. Biz Serena'yı bu bağlamda markalara sunuyoruz ve onların görünürlüklerini arttırabilecek yeni mekanlar oluşturuyoruz.
AI influencers like Serene Ay are becoming more popular than ever. As the digital space evolves and social media expands, their market share is expected to reach $37.8 billion by 2030, according to consulting company KBV Research. Their robotic demeanor and scripted nature, however, presents a catch-22 for marketers looking to step up their digital engagement.
For more on this, Joya Scarlata joins me from Annapolis, Maryland. She's an AI marketing specialist at the Intera Information Technologies. Joya, welcome.
Thank
All
you
right.
for having me.
So let's break it down. What is AI in marketing?
So, in a nutshell, AI in marketing, it involves automation, data analytics, natural language processing, and machine learning algorithms, and it helps empower marketers to predict upcoming trends, analyze customer behavior, and also optimize campaigns at scale. So, definitely the state of marketing these days has changed, and it's way different from the traditional methods of marketing that we've kind of used in the past.
Okay, but it can't all be smooth sailing. So, what are some of the challenges? Are there any ethical issues?
Definitely. While there are benefits for marketers to use AI, the challenges cannot be overstated. I would say some of the challenges include, say, data privacy, the quality of data that you use. So the output of anything that you're using from an AI tool is just as good as the input. And definitely, I think there are a lot of ethical considerations that marketers need to be aware of, because you are using, at the end of the day, customer data. And for companies, you do want to have a sense of transparency. Also, AI algorithms are a bit prone to bias. So your output may be a little bit skewed. And of course, hallucinations. So there are a few challenges that marketers need to be aware of.
So, Joya, AI is everywhere. So, what advice do you have for brands that want to get it on the action?
So I would say that, firstly, you have to consider that AI definitely is not a magic wand. It cannot solve all of the problems a marketer may have. I would say that the number one piece of advice is start small. Look at a problem that an AI tool or a process can help you with, and then scale up. Also, invest in training. You want to invest in continuous training. That is definitely important. And yes, and then go from there.
Okay. Should influencers be scared? Can man and machine complement each other?
That's a great question. So I think that the concerns that marketers and people have in general are incredibly valid. I think at this point, it's worth viewing AI as a complement, not as a substitute. So, for example, influencers can definitely use AI tools and technologies to their advantage, say by really understanding and creating hyper personalized content for their audience. So, I think we're still at a point where AI cannot replace human creativity. So it definitely can, AI tools and human creativity does come hand in hand.
Joya, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
So we just touched on AI in marketing, government, and also management. But can AI have a role in religion? According to a new startup, yes. Let me introduce you to Pulpit AI. So if you're a priest or a church leader and need help improving your sermons, you can upload an outline, script, audio clip, or video of it, and generative AI will do the rest. The app can also generate discussion questions and guides for religious groups, newsletters, and social media. Pulpit AI will be released on July 22nd. While there has been some criticism that AI has no place in the pulpit, one reverend who beta tested the platform had nothing but positive feedback.
So I believe deeply in podcast sermons. My church I serve is a rural church of 20 people. It's 30 miles away from my house. I saw the power. I realized, okay, no, the church is going to start podcasting in September because this is going to help me solve a problem. The fact that I live 35 miles away from the people in my church. The transcript feature is really good. I stutter and I'm a redneck and it does 15 times better than the machine learning. I love the chapter feature, but so much of what I use this phase, because I've got the devotional piece that it will generate. Yeah. So here's the devotional that it built out for this. It's given me scriptures from inside the sermon, and it's given me the little devotional. So the discussion questions are solid. So that's kind of from the local church what I'm doing every single week.
So it really does look like AI is making waves in every field, from faith to fun. Now let's take a trip down the memory lane. Remember Toys R Us? I mean, before they went bankrupt and closed their stores. Well, they're back, but only for a short promo film made using OpenAI's new text-to-video tool, Sora. Take a look.
Did you ever wonder how Toys R Us and Jeffrey the Giraffe came to be? The son of a bike shop owner, Charles Lazarus, had a vision that would go on to change toy stores forever.
The AI-generated ad shows the company's founder, Charles Lazarus, inspired by a vivid dream to create the brand. While AI fans were thrilled to see the tech used commercially, critics found the footage unsettling. The ad showcases the power of AI-generated video, yes, but also highlights its flaws. For example, the AI struggles with consistent character models. You can see young Charles changing shape throughout the video. One commentator says he looks like a figure from a weird dream. And it's still pretty easy to spot the machine's evidence. Just look at half bicycles melting into each other, wonky window panes, and the dead-eyed stare of an AI-generated man. So, some artists aren't too worried about their jobs just yet, as Sora still has a way to go before it can fully replace them. That's why a dozen people were still involved in making final tweaks, while Sora was responsible for about 85% of the work. Toys R Us says it's the first to debut a brand film using this tech. In February, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, introduced Sora. The model can create realistic and imaginative videos from simple text prompts. It's still unclear where it gets its training data, but many believe it's from YouTube. It can generate videos up to 60 seconds long with multiple characters, specific motions, and detailed backgrounds. Experts say this type of AI could disrupt the digital entertainment market. And that's our show. Find our latest stuff on YouTube and do subscribe to our channel. See you soon.